Just happened. How did you spill so much of oil? एक और है बन. That is a.
पानी पी. एक बार इडली बना के ट्राई में आमचा झालाय चॉप का. This looks so funny. I'm worried about you. I don't want anybody to slip off from me.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So आज सकाळी सकाळी आमचं पचका चॉप झालं. कशासाठी तू बोलणार? हा, पाणी पियायचं.
कालच मी माझ्या बेस्ट फ्रेंडला भेटली आणि तिने मला रिच सारखेच ऍडवाइस दिले की लाईफ मध्ये काही झालं तरी पाणी पित राहायचं. एनिवे आमचा झालाय चॉप, कारण की काल एवढी मेहनत करून मी हे इडलीचं बॅटर बनवायचा प्रयत्न केला, बट मी दरवेळी तांदूळ वापरते. तर फर्स्ट टाइम आय ट्राईड इडली रवा, पण ते अजून ते असं रेजच नाही झालंय.
ओ, इडली रवा बनाने का कोशिश था वो.
I don't know रेज हुआ है कि नहीं. I can see bubble. I think it's a failed recipe or what. एक बार इडली बना के I'll try and see. But I don't think ferment हुआ है. What do you think? See, show उल्टा.
I'll take it in the other frame rate.
You think हुआ है?
I don't know. It looks like a cake batter more than.
फॉर्मेंट हुआ है क्या?
नहीं हुआ है.
चल आज मेक एक दो इडली है ना, फिर सी. अदरवाइज तेको आज ब्रेड बटर खाना पड़ेगा.
I am more than happy to do that.
Let's try.
Bread butter is my favorite.
बट प्लीज मला कमेंट्स मध्ये सांगा की ह्याचं कसं पीठ करतात, जर तुम्हाला माहिती असेल.
So she is going to find some jugaad and doing that. If not, then bread butter तो है ही है. Bread and Amul butter. Let me specify that. If it's not Amul butter, it's not butter. मैं butter खाएगा ही नहीं. तो
jungle.
Yeah, you want to see something that Pooja has done. I'll do the things that I like and which I don't like. Okay. First and foremost, she's got these. Beautiful flowers or flowerways or whatever you want to call it, and Charlie also enjoys them. Charlie, where are you? Charlie, come on. Yeah, Charlie. Okay, so these are beautiful, and we have a gas pipeline. So to cover that gas pipeline, she's put all this, which looks good, amazing. Again, 100 on 100. This all looks good, but one thing that I don't like is what the hell is this? ये क्या है?
That is to hide this.
What you're hiding?
This.
You're hiding that.
I don't like that.
अरे, it's so difficult to turn.
It's okay, I'll do it for you.
What you'll do it for me?
Baby यार.
And this. ये क्या है पता नहीं, but ठीक है.
अरे ये स्टैंड इसका है.
हाँ, वो भी निकालने
So I put this.
Nice. This is not nice. This is lovely. Good. I like this. Very good. Alright, so now what? Oh, drinking water. Nice. Good. Good. Fill the bottle.
चलो, I'll do and see.
Yeah, I'll go.
ना तेल गिरा है इसके चक्कर में.
हाँ, I know in the morning. अभी तो पूरा साफ हो गया है. Maybe what happened? What just happened? How did you spill so much of oil?
तेलाची किटलीच पडली.
किटली कुठे आहे? तिकडे. And what were you making?
Nothing.
Then how it fell?
The kitli was kept there, so it just fell down. Let's see. Look at the oil. तेल वेस्ट ना हो इसीलिए कल भजी नहीं बनाया. हम लोग के साथ ऐसा ही हो रहा है. उस दिन भी पैसा खर्च ना हो करके मैंने वो ड्रेस नहीं खरीदा, फिर फाइन भरना पड़ा. अभी तेल ऐसे बजटिंग इतना सोच के देख, उससे अच्छा तो कल पकोड़ा खाते.
Sure.
Give the bag.
Tissue paper won't work. Too many tissue papers then.
जितने पैकेट है सब खत्म हो जाएंगे.
पानी डाल सकते ना डायरेक्टली वो कॉमन है.
नहीं, I'll do. You get newspapers. Go get fast.
Newspapers I've got no, they're kept sick. That's a lot of work. After holding newspapers. Newspaper. ये सिंगल है. और डबल डालेंगे. Baby, done?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Just be careful, it's wet.
Yeah. Chalo, clean. Where have we kept that oil now? Safe. What are you preparing?
Idli batter.
Is this the reason why all the oil fell?
I was actually removing this vessel from down, but then that oil fell. See, from here. But ठीक है, it's okay.
I'll go and continue making the vlog I need to upload. Remember, all our subscribers and viewers, you are amazing. Is it happening?
Yes, see.
Arey, wow. That means it might be a drop, no growth spurt.
Maybe idli rava एवढा फुगत नसेल, I don't know.
Rava idli this is, no?
But that's
Good.
And I'm not making nariyal chutney.
What is this you're making?
That red chutney I'm making.
Tomato chutney. Good. First you drink for 1 week.
This half side is spinning since 3 days. I don't know why.
Stress, tension.
Stress वैस कुछ नहीं है मेरे को. Everyone is stress. Still let's eat.
मेरे पे क्यों भड़क रही है?
I don't like the term stress.
Stress.
कुछ हुआ?
Stress. So, idli and what is this? Sambar.
No, some chutney है मेरे को नारियल किसने को कंटाला आ रहा था.
उस दिन मैंने घिसट के दिया था, क्या हुआ? Oh, sorry, that was in my dream. Sorry. So let's taste this. Nice. Okay. So it's now time for us to give Charlie Coco their medicine. 10 days from now we have scheduled Charlie Coco's surgery for neutering. They are apparently mostly Coco is peeing around everywhere, and that is just to mark their territory, hormones, you understand that, right? So because of that, neutering is advice given by our pet doctor.
And everyone neuters.
Pet
sterilization सब लोग ही करते हैं, सभी करते हैं.
हाँ, everybody does it, and our vet suggested it. And for that we had done their blood test, which apparently is expensive, believe me. We spend around 2 grand per cat, so in total 4,000 only for their blood tests. And in that we came to know they have some deficiency in certain parts. So because of that, doctor has asked us to do a 10-day course.
Pre-operative measures.
Pre-operative measure. She knows the technical medical terms. I don't. So we need to give them this medicines for the next 10 days. So today is the first day. Now I don't know how they are going to react to it. I guess Charlie will take it, but Coco will create a problem. What do you think?
I think Coco will take and Charlie nakhre karega.
Alright, what do you think? Let's see. Think right now, and in the further videos you will guess what it is.
And we'll see.
Yes. Who do we get first, Charlie or Coco?
See, this fellow is out getting.
Charlie, time for some medicine. Oh, Charlie's here. Take Charlie first. Charlie, medicine. Coco, you're next.
Chalo.
Open. No opening. Wait. You, what is this? Open. Put. No. Put. Good boy. Charlie is a good boy. No. What do you think you're going? You're not going anywhere. 2 medicines. 1 more. Oh, wait, never open. Ow. Done?
I'll wash them.
You're here? Hey, Coco. Coco di. Come. So these are the 2 medicines that the doctor has given, the vet has given. 10 ml each or 5?
1.
No, each, no?
1 ml.
1 ml? Oh, itna nahi.
Baby.
What I know, okay. I didn't even feed properly. Coco, come. Your turn now, Coco. Charlie. Good well. Okay, settle. Hey.
Baby, तेरा पैर ऐसा.
Okay. Coco. He's not opening. Yeah.
Coco.
Be here. A drink. Who wants food?
See?
Very good. 1 more. Very good. What?
Yeah.
Oh wow, in 1 go. Good. Go.
What, you want more? Why is here?
Come.
All is good, yeah.
It's getting scared seeing this.
You
Baby, why are you washing? I told you I'll do it, no?
You start cleaning that. ये इधर जगह कम है.
ये वो मैं करेगा ना baby please. अभी तेरे को headache हो रहा है बोल. That is why I'm saying no. Please go ahead. I will do it.
Okay, I am just telling you. You start cleaning from there. मेरे से जितना होगा I'll do. Then you do. Don't shout. तू वो कर. मैं इतना जितना हो रहा है बाकी का बचा हुआ तू कर जा. बहुत काम है. पानी नहीं था सुबह से. अब भी पानी आ रहा है.
That's because you have somebody on top is working. उन लोगों को उस लीकेज था इसलिए उन लोग ने कटवाया. वो बोलना चाहिए ना पहले निकालने के वक्त. ठीक है चल. Mummy, what do you have to say to this?
This looks so funny.
This looks good. This also looks good.
Yeah, but I never see
What?
gold.
Funny is funny, darling.
See, I am I like natural things. This looks, but I never found this golden leaf anywhere. So
What do you have to say?
Sometimes.
What do you have to say to this? This all looks decent. I'm like,
Once this thing I have to say. Phool khile hain, gulshan gulshan.
सकाळपासून पाणीच नव्हतं. आता ही भांडी घासली एवढं भरलेलं इकडे. काहीतरी वरती काम चालू आहे. पाणीच नव्हतं.
मी हे साफ तू बोल ना मी हे साफ केलं.
to hear about the oil story?
What oil?
Come, we'll tell you. She dropped oil on the floor.
Where?
कितना लीटर? 3 लीटर तो गया रहेगा ना?
किटलीच पडली पूर्ण.
कोणती?
पूर्ण खालीच पडलं. एवढं.
मग काय केलं तू?
मग काय केलं? साफ केलं.
कसं?
पेपर घालून टिश्यू पेपर किती घालणार.
म्हणून ती इडली कधी ते किटल्या वापरायचे नाही. कॅन ठेवायचे. ते असेल नको चिकन होईल नाही. They tend to slip out from your hand.
ते स्लिप नाही झालं.
खुल्लं राहिलं.
नाही मी हे काढत होती तर ह्याच्या धक्क्याने ते खाली पडली.
मग डोंट कीप इट देअर ना.
आता कुठे ठेवती?
वर ठेव.
हा बघ
वर ठेव.
You open the window, he'll go only. No, he loves to sit there.
वरती ठेव. आपण कसं ठेवतो?
मोठी वाली छोटी नाही.
मोठी वालीच बोलते. वरती ठेव.
झालं.
मिक्सरच्या बाजूला ना एक ताट ठेव त्याच्यामध्ये ते
इथेच ठेवायला पाहिजे.
हा इथेच ठेव. प्लेट घ्यायची आणि हाताने तेल असं भरत जायचं सगळं.
हा ऍक्च्युली
सगळं तेल भरायचं सगळं जितकं तुझ्या हाताने आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग पेपर फिरवायचं.
पण मम्मी ते किती होतं.
ऑलवेज प्रेझेन्स ऑफ माइंड. टेक अ कंटेनर अँड ट्राय टू कलेक्ट इट ॲज मच ॲज यू कॅन कलेक्ट. हाऊ मच विल यू ट्राय टू ऑब्झर्व इन द न्यूजपेपर.
माझ्याच हाताला लागत होती सगळे.
बट इट शुडंट हॅपन नेक्स्ट टाइम. टू रिमूव्ह दॅट किटली फ्रॉम द कीप इट अप.
आणि नेमकं मी परवा भजी करणार होती. मला बोलली नको जाऊन दे. हे तर मी शिकली. मम्मी को अब तक वो फाईन का नाही पता. त्या दिवशी तुला सोडलं तो ड्रेस आपण नाही घेतला. पैसे वाच. येताना ओव्हर स्पीडची फाईन लागली पाम बीच रोडवर. किती फाईन? 4,500 रुपये.
सेम अमाउंट ऑफ द सारी ड्रेस. हा होय.
कधी मला सोडण्याच्या नंतर काय स्पीडने आलं तुम्ही? 100?
हा 80, 100 पण तिथे काहीतरी कमी.
You know, it needs to be 80. I was above 80. And वही लेन पे 2 बार मारा और वो 500
मारली. आणि एक ह्या कॅमेरानी एक त्या कॅमेरानी. मी म्हटलं आज ते जे जायचे असतात नवरत्नापासून जे सुरू झालं आम्ही ते अवॉइड करून शेवटी लास्ट मिनिट म्हणजे
500 will be charged in the profit.
वो भी
5,000.
500. वो 500 था.
तो बोलला त्याच्यापेक्षा तर तू इच्छा झाली ना तर गपचूप ड्रेस घ्यायचा होता.
I told her something for
so much time to choose it, collect it, and then she saying I don't know.
ते झालं. त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट दिवशी मी याला बोलली मला ना भजी खायचं खूप इच्छा होते. कांदा कापला, मिरची कापली, कोथिंबीर कापली, चण्याचं पीठ घातलं. मग तेव्हा काय माहिती म्हटलं जाऊन दे आता कोण भजी करेल. चण्याचा पोळा चण्याचा पोळा करते आणि काल तेलच पडलं. ते असं नाही तर असं. मग तू बोलतो तू ना तुला इच्छा झाली ना तू ते कर. ते नाही केलं ना ते असं होतं. म्हटलं काय आता मी बोलता बोलता किती पेढे घातले मला आठवणच नाही.
मोज
खाणार ना बाळ.
हाँ
काय नाही तू अपसेट आहे व्यवस्थित थंड हो.
मी अपसेट आहे.
No, no.
तू स्ट्रेस्ड आहे काय.
doesn't drink water also. Tell Simal का.
सिमलला भेटली मी तिच्याशी बोलते. एक तर तिच्या हाताला लागलाय पाय कसं. पाणी पी म्हटलं मला नको. अरे पी 4 तास झाले तू पाणी नाही पिली. म्हटलं ठीक आहे. मी बॉटल घेतली आपलं प्यायली. 2 सिप पाणी पी अजून पाणी पी फक्त 2 सिप. म्हटलं तुला की रीच मेसेज करतोय मागून पाणी पी पाणी.
No, but she doesn't drink water only. Nothing. In 4 hours, 1 sip of water she'll have, which is not right. No.
आता मी काल म्हणून ते डोकं दुखतं हे होतं ते होतं.
Actually, there should be a water point. Then she will like. She doesn't want to come here and have water. No, lazy.
नाही नव्या येणार
आहे बॉटल बिटल काय नाही आता पिणार.
पी
Keep a specific one place for water. So naturally you will come, take from there. Don't change it now and then.
You have kept one bottle now designated
Yeah,
for her
when
only.
you change that water point now, then your that mind doesn't remember where
Correct.
it is, so you will not go. So keep one fixed point for water point.
Correct. नमक किधर है? भाई नमक किधर है? इधर से कब नीचे गया? और उड़ाई ना. ऑयल भी डालते हैं ना?
For what?
My mom puts oil a little bit on top.
It's big.
I'm serious.
For boiled egg by oil.
I don't know. She puts.
Everybody have their own hacks.
Now I don't know whether she's even watching the vlogs. WhatsApp is off for the past 1 month.
I'll ask her. Mama, why you put oil in the boiled eggs? Please let me know.
Mummy is doing the finishing touches.
No, it is oily.
She thinks कि अभी भी little oil is there, so she's removing it.
अरे baby.
Gel,
Why is it?
gel was fine on this.
What?
Why is she doing?
You tell. She's not listening to me. What
Why
you're
I'm
telling
doing
me?
it?
You ask
Because
her.
1 minute. It's running in the family only. It's running in the family now. Nobody listens.
Nobody listens because I'm worried about you. I don't want anybody to slip off from this.
That was sweet.
This is our daily work.
यही है वो.
क्या?
ये Charlie didn't come out for the carrots.
We ate already.
He ate already, no? Charlie is one different cat. He loves having carrot. If he sees carrot, he runs. Charlie, what? Oh, you're there?
We don't call him. I gas
Ah.
चालू आएगा भाग.
Oh, lovely.
ट्रान्सपरंट प्लेट वरती प्लेटच नाही दिसत. असं वाटतंय असं वाढतंय आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी ग्रीन कलर दिसते.
Charlie Coco also interested to come.
See your egg you liked?
1 minute, huh? Of course, it looks good. Charlie, that's Mama's place. Why are you sitting?
गाजर है ना.
Yeah, don't
That
worry.
day-
I messaged Daddy that day.
That day, you know what I did? I was waiting for Pooja's call. I slept this only.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah, and I slept this way only sitting. Suddenly I got up. What is the time? I'm sitting and sleeping.
No, I had messaged Daddy that I had reached.
Chalo,
Chalo, bye, good night, take care, bye. Alright, now let's go home.